Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you guys our 2024 Mastercraft NXT22. This is a pickle fork bow on this boat. It's in the midnight black color with the kahuna blue. It's a great color combination. It's got a stainless steel rub rail. This boat does come with a custom tandem axle trailer with disc brakes and these awesome wheels on it. Let's walk around to the back and we can show you some more. Hey guys, we're standing here at the back of our 2024 Mastercraft NXT22. Here on the back, we've got a fiberglass swim platform, great for getting in and out of the boat or hanging out in the water. We've also got our Surf Star surf gates here on the back of the boat that you'll see. Let's climb aboard and take a look inside. Guys, we're here inside of our 2024 Mastercraft NXT22. We take a look inside the bow. We've got this great wraparound seating. This is in the Odyssey Stealth Gray color. We've got the Clips audio, and with that pickle fork bow, we've got a lot of room up there. As we move back here at the console, we've got a great, super comfortable captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. We've got storage for your phone here, as well as some more Clips audio. Got our Surf Star system here on the dash. Tilt steering wheel. Here in the walkthrough, we've got our acrylic door to shut that area off so that way you can kind of stay out of the wind. We've got a lot of great storage underneath this port side console that goes all the way through to that bow seating up front. More Clips audio as we move back. Gorgeous wraparound seating with lots of storage. We've got the convertible center chair so you can face rearward as you watch your buddy surf. Lots of space back here on the sun pad. We've also got a pop-up ski pylon here. This boat has the Z6 folding tower. It's hydraulic assisted, super easy to raise and lower. We've also got our quick clamping board racks. It's a great feature for storing your boards while you're out there on the water. We've also got a bimini top, and here on the tower we've got some cans for your audio. If you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come take a look at it in person, either give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.